The exact technique is still a trade secret. The Flexus team's design uses a proprietary algorithm in a way that minimizes the force it takes to morph the wing to a prescribed shape. This technique also has inherent mechanical advantages in that it is very stiff to external loads. Simply put, the design is incredibly strong, but does not need huge motors to morph the wing. To test this concept further, NASA's ERA team decided to place a Flexus wing on board an aircraft to test in flight. The team removed the traditional flaps from a Gulfstream aircraft and replaced them with a Flexus wing for the initial testing. Tom Rigney of NASA Armstrong explains.
The reason it's important is because one of the largest contributors of noise for an aircraft, when it comes down to approach for landing or for takeoff, there's a lot of noise that's generated by the spaces, gaps from existing flaps that are on an aircraft. And so what this does is it reduces that noise by eliminating those gaps. And they have a smooth, continuous surface rather than having gaps. And it can reduce sound within up to 4 to 6 decibels, which is significant. This technology is really helping aviation, the whole aviation industry. It's something similar to what we had with winglets. So winglets came on aircraft and made them much lighter and more efficient, more effective. And this is similar to winglets. We're going to be able to take an airplane and have wings act more like a bird. Instead of having just these boards that come down and all locked in place, we're going to actually have morphing and shaping wings just like a bird would do. And that makes the aircraft more effective in terms of flying, in terms of efficiency, fuel savings, and it's going to save hundreds of millions of dollars for the public for flying. It's also going to make planes lighter weight, which allow for more luggage and other things to go on board. And it's more of a green type of technology, less carbon in the air for the world to have to deal with later. So this is going to be really helping out the environment as well as saving money. So it's really a great technology.
The first tests of this design were very successful and met all of the stringent stretch goals that engineers set out to meet. This design shows tremendous promise, and future testing should continue to further validate the time and effort that the ERA team put into this technology. NASA, in cooperation with industry partners, is truly transforming the concept of how we fly. 2025 is right around the corner, and before you know it, many of the concepts the ERA team has studied will undoubtedly be used to make flying safer for all of us.